Hey, welcome back to our channel, Let Us Eat. My name's Luke.
I'm Destiny.
And so today's video, we're making banana bread. Banana bread! So yes, today we made banana bread. I'm gonna roll, please. Cue video. Hey, let's go over the differences between each loaf of bread. So let's talk about some of the differences between the vegan versus the regular banana bread. So first off, I added eggs, of course, to my loaves of bread. And you added coconut oil, and yours added baking powder to it, which I don't know why.
Baking powder or baking soda?
You had both. I only had soda.
I thought that mine tasted kind of metallic-y. I don't know if maybe that was because of the baking powder in it. Or maybe it's the soda that I'm tasting. How many bananas did you have in yours?
3.
Did I have 3?
Yeah. To be honest, I think yours weren't ripe enough. Yeah.
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 So hers actually, we did cinnamon instead of walnuts.
That's okay. I like cinnamon.
Yeah, it was good. Yeah, your bread was definitely more dense than mine was.
My bread didn't have as much moisture in it as what I would have thought it would have had, I think.
Yeah, yours just has 1/4 of a cup, which I almost think we needed to double that and make it 1/2 cup. of almond milk just because of how dense your cake is. I think that adding a little bit more moisture to it would have lightened it up. When you're making the vegan version, I would add a whole nother banana to it, to the recipe. I think it will actually increase the banana flavor of the bread, and then as well as add a little bit more moisture to it.
And make sure that the bananas are ripe.
I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Please make sure you guys go hit that subscribe button and
Ding the bell.
ding, yes. And go like this video. We appreciate it. See you guys next time.
Bye.
Bye. Today's video we made banana bread. Yeah.
Catch you on the flip side.
Catch you on the flip side.